So I wanted to show you guys sort of a update on this system. This actually turned out pretty good. We're off to a slow start. I had one of these tomato caterpillars on these plants that are growing out of the sides, and now there's a different breed. I don't know what that plant variety is, but it didn't perform so much. However, these cherry tomatoes are doing great. I've probably got maybe 100 tomatoes in here. It's really pretty incredible. I didn't expect this at all, but there they are. We're growing basil, looking great. Color's nice and green, no yellow. Shows that we're getting plenty of nitrogen, and the pH is working out great. Here's a little jalapeno plant. It's fruiting also, and so the system works good. I've had a couple of tweaks since I first set it up. I'll be explaining more about how the design is once we've sort of matured and I've harvested these tomatoes. I'll probably do another video to show them when they're all red and ripe and delicious. So anyway, that's it. 3 levels, aggregate on the top in that just a little 1 gallon size space. I got these pumps that drive liquid from the bottom into the rocks, and there's a mesh bag or mesh bottom to that. Roots growing all the way down in there, kind of sharing the root systems with these plants that are growing out of the sides. And everybody's happy. It's aerated because the water is actually draining to about 4 or 5 inches down below as we speak. I've got some sort of system set up to allow the water to create an air pocket underneath the roots with each cycle, so it fills and drains. Anyway, that's about it. Thanks for watching.